So this shop had 1,249 orders, 13,000 in revenue, and this was between February 4th and March 2nd. This store between February 25th and March 2nd, so 7 days, had 524 orders, 58.80 in revenue. Here's a newer store. This one from February 4th to March 2nd. This is a month, had 424 orders, $3,673 in revenue in the past 30 days. Here's a payout screen showing daily payouts here. So these are payments going out on the 1st of March, February 28th, February 28th. Total payout so far of $29,611. Let's see this one again, daily payments, March 1st, February 29th, 28th, showing total payments of $11,604. Daily payments again, $12,279. Here's a last 7 days, 3,800 visitors, 158 items sold, $1,349 in revenue. Here's a newer store, 263 orders, $1,585 in revenue in the last 7 days. Here's the last 7 days, 8,700 visitors, 524 items sold, $5,800 in revenue. Here's the finance page showing 3K is processing with 7K pending to be paid out. Again, last 7 days, 656 items sold, 4,600 in revenue. Here's a new store, 616 orders, 6,700 in revenue in the last 30 days. Last 7 days, 9,000 visitors, 360 items sold, 3,500 in revenue. Last 7 days, 354 orders, 3,700 in revenue. Last 7 days, 4,000 visitors, 190 items sold, 2,100 in revenue. Newer store. Last 30 days, 1,200 orders, 9,100 in revenue.